If you have a website and you need to install SSL certificate on it, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to install SSL certificates on direct admin control panel. How do you install SSL certificate? What you have to do is log in into your direct admin control panel. Click on the login button here. So right now I've successfully logged into my hosting account. So what you need to do next is come to services here. So I have two services here. This is one multihood.pro and this is jntutorial.xyz. So as you can see, this multihood.co, the SSL is installed already. So this jntutorial.xyz, there's no SSL detected. Let me show you how to install the SSL now. Just click to log into the direct admin panel. So here we are now. So as you can see here, this is SSL certificate. Just click on the SSL certificate. Okay, once you've clicked the SSL certificate, come to your left hand side here. This get automatic certificate from ACME provider. This is a free SSL certificate we offer to our customers when you get a hosting on Rejoice. So check all these boxes here. So when you're done checking all the boxes, click on save here. Down here you'll see save, then click on it to allow it to refresh. Here when it's done activating, this window will display certificate and keys saved. The next thing we need to do is scroll down to your left hand side here. This force SSL with HTTPS redirect. Check this box and click on save. This is all you need to. Within 3 to 5 minutes, you're done installing your SSL certificate. Thank you for watching, and I hope you love this video. Please share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.